Welcome back to Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Geely Coolray, a subcompact SUV that has been making waves in the global market. With its bold design, high-tech features, and improved performance, this latest model is set to redefine expectations. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and efficient SUV, this might just be the perfect ride for you. The 2025 Geely Coolray boasts a striking exterior with a redesigned front grille, sharp LED headlights, and an aggressive bumper design. The sleek body lines and sporty stance make it one of the most eye-catching SUVs in its segment. The new alloy wheel design enhances its premium appeal, while the rear features LED taillights, a sculpted tailgate, and a dual exhaust system, adding a performance-oriented touch. With an improved aerodynamic profile, the Coolray not only looks good but also improves efficiency and driving dynamics. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech, premium cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a new floating touchscreen infotainment system with a high-resolution display and wireless connectivity. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and leather-trimmed seats elevate the cabin experience. The new digital instrument cluster offers crisp visuals and essential driving information. The seats are well contoured for enhanced comfort, and the rear passengers get ample legroom and headroom. A panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a premium sound system add to the luxurious feel. The 2025 Coolray is loaded with next-gen tech. The infotainment system now supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. A 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and an advanced driver assistance system (ADAS) provide added safety and convenience. The AI-powered voice assistant allows hands-free control of climate settings, navigation, and multimedia. The updated Geely Smart Drive system enhances the overall driving experience with real-time traffic updates, AI-based route suggestions, and remote vehicle control via a smartphone app. Under the hood, the new Coolray is powered by a 1.5L turbocharged engine, delivering around 175 horsepower and 255 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT), it offers smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint is achieved in under 8 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for better handling and ride comfort. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the Coolray delivers a dynamic and confident driving experience. Geely has equipped the 2025 Coolray with top-notch safety features. It includes lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive headlights. The body structure has been reinforced for better crash protection, and multiple airbags ensure maximum safety for passengers. Parking sensors and an autonomous parking assist system make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The Coolray is designed for efficiency without compromising performance. With its improved engine and lightweight construction, it offers a fuel economy of around 15 to 18 km/h, depending on driving conditions. Multiple drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, allow you to customize the driving experience. The Eco mode optimizes fuel efficiency, while Sport mode enhances throttle response and steering feel for a more engaging drive. The 2025 Geely Coolray is expected to be priced competitively, making it a strong rival to models like the Honda HR-V, Toyota Corolla Cross, and Hyundai Kona. With its premium features, stylish design, and powerful performance, it offers great value for money. Whether you're a first-time SUV buyer or looking for an upgrade, the Coolray is worth considering. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Geely Coolray. It's stylish, feature-packed, and delivers an impressive driving experience. What are your thoughts on this SUV? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.